Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome to another video. This video is going to be on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. And it's going to be in the multiplication live playlist. You go to my channel, it'll say multiplication live in all caps. So I'm going to do a few problems and then I'm going to continue practicing my soccer juggling. All right, let's get into this. 55 times 45. Huge thank you to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. 55 times 45. So the first step, we multiply the digits in the ones place. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So the 5 and 25 goes in the ones place. The 2 and 25, we got to carry that over to the tens place. Now we multiply 5 times 5 again. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 2 is 27. So it starts out the same way as 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Only difference is there's a second set of numbers we got to multiply here. So we already multiplied all the numbers in the ones place. So we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Now we're going to multiply 40 times 5. And we added a 0 there, so 40 times 5 is really going to be the same as 4 times 5. Only difference is we got to add a 0 to our answer, which we already did. All right, so 4 times 5 is 20. So we're going to put a 0 in the tens place and carry the 2. I like to cross the first number I carried over out, just so we don't get confused, because we already added that number. All right, and now 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 2 equals 22. So now to get our answer, we have to add, make that a little neater. Hang on, I'm just going to make that a little neater there. So now to find our full answer, we have to add these two numbers. We have to add 275 plus 2,200. So we always start from the ones place, right? We go from right to left when we add. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Let me make my 5 a little neater. I take pride in my work. I got to make it a little neater than that. 5 times 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 2 equals 4. We don't have any number in the thousands place up here, so when there's no number in the thousands place, we assume that there's a 0 there. 0 plus 2 equals 2. And our answer is 2,475. All right, now I'm going to do another one. All right. $77 times 37. We'll do that next. So we start out the same way we would with 2-digit by 1-digit numbers. We're going to multiply the 7 times 7. We're going to multiply the 2 digits in the ones place. 7 times 7 equals 49. So the 9 in 49 is going to go in the ones place. The 4 in 49, we carry that over to the tens place. And this 4 that we carried over, we're going to add that to the product of the next two numbers that we multiply. 7 times 7 again is 49, plus 4 is 53. So this would be our answer if we were only multiplying 77 times 7. But since we're multiplying 77 times 37, we have an extra step. So now we got to multiply 30 times 7. 30 times 7 really is the same as 3 times 7. The only difference is we have to add a 0 to our answer. So I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place. 3 times 7 is 21. So I'm going to put a 1 in the tens place and carry the 2 over. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 2 is 23. And now to get our final answer for 77 times 37, we need to add up these two numbers. We got to add up 539 plus 2,310. So 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 2 equals 2. So our answer is 2,849. I'm just going to double check with my calculation team right quick. Hold on. $2,849. That is the answer. All right, I'm going to do one more multiplication problem, and then it's soccer time. All right. $95 times 43. That'll be our next problem. Last problem of the day. All right, 95 times 43. Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15. So put 5 in the ones place. Carry 1 over to the tens place. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 1 is 28. Now we put a 0 in the ones place because we already multiplied the two numbers in the ones place. Now in the tens place, 4 times 5 equals 20. So I'm going to put a 0 in the tens place, and I'm going to carry a 2 over. All right. Now 9 times 4 is 36, plus 2 is 38. Five plus 0 equals 5. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. The answer is 4,085. All right. So now I'm going to take next 7 minutes, going to work on my soccer juggling. I'm going to move this back. I'm going to move it back here. All right. Here we go. Move this back a little more. All right. Go on working towards 5 juggles. 1. 1. Ay, Dios mío. Gotta get quicker feet. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I got 3 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hit my goal. I got 5. Yes, the wall helped me. I'll admit, the wall did help me a little bit. But still, I got 5 without the ball touching the floor. All right, here we go. 1, 2. One. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Got 3. Here we go. 1. 2. So even though I hit my goal, sky's the limit. I got 5 once, but I want to try to get 5 again. I want to try to get to the point where I'm consistent with that. Hey, who knows? Maybe I'll get 10 one time. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ay, Dios mío. 1, 2, 3. 1. I still got 4 minutes left. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here we go. 1. Ay, Dios mío. You got to be patient with yourself, but you also got to stay hungry. I've lost the hunger. I've lost that eye of the tiger. Because I hit my goal, because I got 5 juggles in, I'm going through the motions a little bit right now. I got to get myself motivated, disciplined here. You don't want to stop and relax just as soon as you hit your goal. 1, 2. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1, 2. Ay, Dios mío. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 30 seconds left. 1. Ay, Dios mío. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 5 seconds. 1, 2. All right. So I did do it. I accomplished my goal. I got the 5 juggles in there. Notice it took me a little while to get there. There were 2 or 3 days, 2 or 3 videos where I tried to juggle the ball 5 times and I missed. So just know that you have a goal, you keep working at it, eventually you will get there. So be patient with yourself, but at the same time, stay hungry. Don't just go through the motions and relax because you're close to your goal or once you got there. You always want to stay hungry and keep working and level up. Just like in video games, you want to level up, get yourself to the highest level possible at whatever you do. Whether it be sports, school, music, whatever your goal is, whatever you're trying to get good at, have that mentality. All right, that is my video for today. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please leave something in the comments. Let me know if this video was helpful. Also, if there's another area of math that you're struggling with or comprehension skill that you're struggling with, put that in the comments as well, and I will do a future video on it. All right, have a great Sunday, everybody.